IP Farms. Well, it's another day here. Me and Dad's doing a little maintaining with the bush hogs around the areas that I mowed for hay. A few of the rough areas and whatnot. So hadn't had the 10 out in a while, so might get you a few clips of that. Nothing major. I know you've all seen the bush hogging, but sure does feel good to be back on the tractor with a turbo, I'll tell you that. But let's see what we can do. Okay, everybody, we're gonna wrap this one up and call it good. Just a few shots of me and Dad doing some trim work with the bush hogs today, mainly around the areas that I made hay off of in the front field and the donkey pasture. Went ahead and mowed some in the bottom. I left that whole main bottom basically right away. It's good grass growing, not many weeds in it at all. I got to figure out what that yellow flower looking thing is, if that's toxic. If it is, we'll bush hog it down. But if not, and the weather holds out, we're supposed to get like torrential amounts of rain this weekend from a hurricane coming up. Today's September the 27th, Tuesday. So I'm sure that last sprout of rain, we're still having some 75, 80 degree days. It'll probably green it back up for a little while. So we're gonna swing for the fences on that. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, felt good to get back on the 1086. Don't want to leave her out. Did exceptionally well, especially wearing a green shirt today. On the back, I've got a big green tractor. Dylan and Robert Joyce Brothers Farm. Thank you for the t-shirt again, Dylan. But anyway, I'm not going to babble on too much. Don't want to bore you with that. Got you a few shots. Like I said, same thing you've seen before, but another day me and Dad putting work in here at the farm, and I'll bring you guys along for all of it. So really appreciate the support, the continued following, the journey here. It's amazing what you guys do. Keep me going, and the kind words. I really appreciate that. So stay tuned for more. We'll see what happens. Till next time, thank you.